So I'm going to show you how to use my hair and scalp hot oil treatment. In a centrally heated home, you shouldn't need to put this in warm water, but it does contain coconut oil, so if it's really cold it will solidify. I just got this out of my bedroom and it was solid because I haven't got central heating, but I've just had it on put it on the mantelpiece where the wood burner's going, and it's liquid again, and it's actually quite warm, which is quite nice to put on your hair. I would suggest maybe popping it in a jug of warm water, just for a little while, just to warm it through a little bit, just to make it a bit more kind of pleasant to use. Not that it's unpleasant. It smells amazing. What I do, I've got quite an oily scalp. I wash my hair every other day, and I was just about to wash it, so I thought, right, because my hair looks really bad today, so I thought, well, I'll do this while my hair is looking awful, and then I'll explain it after I've done this, because otherwise I'm sitting there looking like a grease monkey explaining stuff. So you just take a little bit of the oil. You don't need a lot. With all my products, you don't need a lot, and you just, if you want to help your hair, you put it through. You start from the bottom and work up. If you had a really dry, itchy, flaky scalp, then you'd start from the scalp and work your way down. If you want to do both, obviously it doesn't really matter where you start, because it's all going to end up in your hair. But you literally take a little bit at a time. This is enough. This is enough to do my hair at least 10 times. So it's really good. It's really good value for money when you think what it actually does for your hair. It's fantastic, and you just kind of work it through your hair and into your hair. I'm going to put a bit at the back because my back's really bad at the moment, and I'm having to sleep on my back with a pillow under my knees, and because I'm sleeping on my back, like, the back of my hair's getting really frizzy. So obviously this isn't a very glamorous thing to do. I could go the whole hog and put a face mask on at the same time, couldn't I? And I'm aware that the light's not very good here. It's just where the plug happened to be for my phone. So yeah, right in front of a window isn't a great way to do this, but yeah, that, I mean, you could put more on if you wanted to, but as I say in all of my videos, all my tuition, it's only the bit that's actually touching your skin or your hair that's doing anything. You could gloop it all on and have it running off your hair, but that's just wasting product. So you might as well just kind of use a little bit and be done with it. Let's just put another bit on there all the way through, and I would now leave this for a good sort of 20 minutes, half an hour. Some of my customers who have got really have got like eczema and psoriasis in their scalp, and other skin conditions that give them a really dry, flaky scalp, they put it on, and then they put a towel on their pillow and actually sleep with it on and wash it out the next day, because they find that really helps. You know, helps the product to get into their hair. I only leave this about 20 minutes, so I will leave this, I will wash it out, and I will show you the end result.